What's the meaning of brawny? Brawny. Brawny.
Brawny. Brawny. The word brawny refers to someone or something that is physically strong and muscular. It is often used to describe a person's physique, particularly their arms and shoulders, or to refer to an object that is hardy and robust in appearance. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who displays great strength of character or willpower. Overall, brawny conveys a sense of toughness and resilience, suggesting that the subject is capable of withstanding great physical or emotional challenges.